Atome is a popular buy now, pay later service that offers 0% interest installments, usually 3, 6, or 12 months, on partnered merchants or via the Atome virtual or physical MasterCard. How installment payments work. When you make a purchase using Atome, the total amount is split into equal monthly installments. The first installment is deducted immediately at checkout or within a few days. Remaining installments are auto-charged to your registered debit or credit card on the same date each month. Steps to pay or manage installments. Download and log in to the Atome app, iOS, Android, or visit Atome, SG or Atome Co. Go to My Account, Orders or Installment Plans tab. View all active plans. Each shows next due date, amount due, remaining balance, auto payment, default and recommended. Ensure your linked card has sufficient balance. Atome, auto charges on the due date. No action needed. Manual payment. If needed, select the installment plan. Tap Pay Now for the current or overdue amount. Choose payment method, credit or debit card, bank transfer, or e-wallet like GrabPay or Pay Now, depending on country. Complete payment. Receipt issued instantly. Check status. Notifications are sent via app or email or SMS before and after each deduction.